The core of our product is the wear-resistant and oil-resistant polyurethane sheet, which is the basis for our high-quality rubber blades. Precision is important. We use a punching manufacturing process to carefully craft each rubber blade. Although our technology is a traditional stamping method, it ensures excellent finish and durability. We have different colors for the rubber sheet. Our blades have excellent wear resistance and are suitable for use on a variety of surfaces. Our blades offer high-quality rubber and a reasonable price, long life, and you will spend less money. If you need, please feel free to contact us.